how to buy AMERICAI agent token. So this token came under the symbol of AMERICAI or AMERICAI. Now before we start, it's not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now if you find some money for that, now here as you can see, click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here, as you can see, this is how much you receive of the token. Now after that, what you need to do, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the step hash from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the step hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy AMERICAI or AMERICAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.